Hello, welcome to all. In this video, I am going to teach you the basics of Excel 2019. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program by Microsoft Corporation which is used to record, store, manipulate and analyze data. The main purpose of using Excel spreadsheet is to perform functions, calculations or to create a database. Within Excel, user can organize data, create charts and perform calculations also. To open Excel 2019 program, click on Start button from the Start menu and scroll down. See, here you found Excel option. It is difficult to open frequently from Start menu. For easy access, you can create shortcut on desktop or taskbar. To create a shortcut on desktop, just drag and drop this Excel onto your desktop. It creates a Excel shortcut key. Or you can create this shortcut on your taskbar also. For that, go to Start menu, go down and right click on this Excel option, and here under more options, pin to taskbar. See, it creates a shortcut key on taskbar. It open a program on a single click, whereas on desktop icon opens by double click. Click on this, it opens a startup screen and it is divided into two sections. On the left hand side you have Home, New, Open. On the right hand side under Home you have recent programs which you have opened recently. By default, Excel shows last 10 documents which you have opened, and every document shows its path and date modified. See, this is in download and this is in desktop and this is in F drive. If you have any important or frequently opened files, you can pin these files using pin symbol on the file. See here, this is the pin symbol. These pinned files are stored under Pin tab. To pin the file, just click on this pin option. See, these pinned files are stored under Pinned tab beside the Recent tabs. See here, you have two pinned files. If you want to remove, you can just click on this option to unpin the file. It automatically removes and add it to your recent documents. From New option, you can open a new worksheet or you can open different types of templates available by default. With Open option, you can open your existing files. Now, right click on Excel shortcut on the taskbar. From here also, you can open a new Excel document and you can open your recent files. And you can pin and unpin of your files also from here. Now just open your Excel document, click on New Blank Workbook or click on this option to open a new document. See, this is the program interface. Whenever you open a new blank workbook, it looks like this. Now I want to give a brief overview on interface. First, on top left corner, you have Quick Access toolbar. This is a small toolbar that you can customize to contain the buttons for the functions that you use most often. To customize Quick Access toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access toolbar drop down arrow here. It opens a list of items. From this menu, you can add or remove items from the toolbar by selecting or deselecting a menu item. See, for example, by default you have save option, undo option and redo option. For example, if you click on quick print option, it automatically adds to your quick access toolbar. And you can also show the toolbar below the ribbon instead of above the ribbon by using this option, that is show below the ribbon. If you click this option, it automatically set below the home ribbon. Now if you want to go back, just click on show above the ribbon option. Now next, here in the drop down list you have one more option, that is more commands. Using more commands option, you can add more commands which are not listed. For that, click on more commands option. Here it opens Excel options tab. From here you can add commands and you can use separators also. For example, see, if you want to separate save and undo redo commands, just add a separator by clicking add button. See, it adds a separator. Just move up. Now just click on OK. See, click on OK. It separates with a vertical bar. And again go to more commands. See, with this you can add more commands also. For example, create chart, just add, it automatically adds a create chart command to your quick access toolbar. For example, email, click on add. Click on OK. Here you have added create chart option and email option also. Another way of adding commands to quick access toolbar is right click on group and add. See, for example, right click on font group and here add to quick access toolbar. The entire font group is added to quick access toolbar. Like this also you can add to quick access toolbar. If you want to remove, just right click on that and remove from quick access toolbar. It automatically removes from quick access toolbar. And beside the quick access toolbar, you have title of the document. By default, book 1 is the title of your Excel 2019 workbook. If you save this file, it shows something else. And over the right, you have display options here. With this, you can show or hide the tabs. Here you found 3 options, that is auto hide ribbon, show tab and show tabs and commands. See, if you click show tabs option, it shows only tabs. The commands are hide. Now, the second option is show tabs and commands. It shows the tabs as well as commands also. And the third option, auto hide ribbon. It hides the entire ribbon including tabs and commands. If you want to show back, just move your mouse on top of the screen. Here you found a green color ribbon. Just double click on this, it automatically shows. Or here click on this and show tabs and commands. This is the way. There is one more method to show or hide the command, that is double click on the ribbon. See, here double click on the ribbon to hide and double click on the ribbon to show. See, here one more option is there. With this also you can show or hide the ribbons. Now over the right of the display option you have 3 window options, that is minimize, maximize and close your documents. With this you can minimize your document and maximize your document and close your document. In below of these options you have a ribbon which has bunch of tabs like home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, etc. And each tab have different commands, and these commands are arranged or organized into groups. Like here under home tab you have clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group, styles group, etc. For example, in home tab you have various types of formatting commands like bold, italic, underline, alignment, styles, etc. In insert tab it is used to create charts, illustrations, add-ons, and to create sparklines, filters, links, etc. And the first option, file, is used to create a new file, open an existing file, or save as your file, or close of your file. And below that, over the left hand side, you have name box. Here below this tab you have name box, which tells the name of your selected cells. It means at present the selected cell. See here G10 is the selected cell. Here the columns are indicated with alphabets like A, B, C, D, and the rows are indicated with numerics, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If you select a cell, then the name of the cell should column into row. What is the value of this cell? See, the column G is highlighted. Here the row 10 is highlighted. It means the cell name is G10. See, it is shown in your name box. And you can also jump to a particular cell by typing in the name box. For example, see here I am typing H5. Press enter, it directly jumps to H5 cell. And Excel provides huge number of rows and columns. If you want to know how many rows and how many columns are there in your sheet, press end key on your keyboard. See, for example, my cursor is here. Now on your keyboard press end key, and again press right arrow on your keyboard. See, it goes to the last value of the row or column. See, the last column name is XFD. And if you want to see the last row, just press end button and down key or down arrow in your keyboard. See, the total number of rows in your Excel 2019 is 10,48,576, and the total number of columns are 16,384. That is denoted by XFD. Now the right of that you have formula bar. See here, right of that you have formula bar. It is the place where you can enter or view formula or text. You can expand this formula bar by using this down arrow. See here, the formula bar is extended. And hide this. Now you can navigate your cell by clicking mouse buttons or using navigation keys, that is right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and down arrow on your keyboard. See, below the formula bar you have work area where we will work. See, this entire thing is called as work area. Below the work area you have worksheet tabs. By default Excel provides a single sheet named as sheet 1. If you want to add more sheets, you can add with the help of this plus symbol. See, if you click plus symbol, you can add any number of worksheets. And if you want to rename your worksheet, just right click on your worksheet name and rename. Click on rename, and here you can give your file name. And you can also add the colors to your tab also. See here, right click on your sheet, tab color. Like this, you can rename or color your tabs. And here you can find two scroll bars. One is vertical scroll bar and second one is horizontal scroll bar, which are used to move your sheet to right to left or top to bottom. And below the horizontal scroll bar, you have three views, that is normal view, page layout view and page break view. And these three views can be also accessed from view tab here. From here also you can access these workbook views. And beside the workbook views, you have a magnification control which is used to zoom in or zoom out your worksheet. See. And this option also access from view tab. See here, zoom. How much percent you can zoom? You can select here, 25, see 100, 200, etc. If you see, this is the 100% zoom. With this, we complete interface of Excel 2019. Thanks for watching this video.